So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy UFC tickets here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, just go to the bottom left and press buy. Once you guys are here on this top bar where it says Discover, Sports, etc., go ahead and press on Sports. Now, if you want to change your location, so in this case, Chicago right here, you can either select your current location or you can select the location. So I'll just go to Las Vegas because that's usually where UFC is right here. So as you can tell, UFC Ultimate Fighting Championship. We can go ahead and press on that. It'll show you some upcoming events as well. So we'll just go ahead and press on the most recent one or the one that's closest to us. It'll then show you a seat map in regards to where you can be buying tickets at which price. You can go ahead and select one as an example. It'll also show you a row or a view from your seats as well as the price, etc. And if you want to continue, go ahead, press continue at the bottom. Now, once you're in this page right here, you guys can see a price breakdown by pressing on show details. You can also edit your method of payment as well. So I have Apple Pay selected, but PayPal, Affirm, or credit or debit will also work. It'll show you your section, your row, the seats that are in this case together, and if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press buy, and proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy UFC tickets here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.